Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I'm going to show you today a 2014 Kenworth W900l extended cab day cab. It's a glider kit with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 10 speed, 46,000 rears. It's got full lockers, wet kit, pretty nice setup. It's only got 506,000 total miles and a freshly overhauled engine. It's only got about 1,000 miles on it. I've got it hot today. Gonna do a full walk around, show you oil pressure and blow by as well. You can see that it's at operating temp. Oil pressure is fantastic, which it should be right after the overhaul. Well up over 60. Fantastic. Love the extended cabs on a Kenworth. You got just enough extra room. Body and paint's in really good shape. Excellent steers. It's got a split tank on this passenger side. All aluminum wheels with a slider. Appreciate you guys watching. If you got more questions, you can always call me at 901-896-4526 or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.